My name is Zhengming Chen. I'm a professor of epidemiology from University of Oxford. I'm very, very broad. So as an epidemiologist, we try to identify causes of common complex disease such as cancer, cardiovascular disease, diabetes. So over the last many decades, we start to use different technology tools. Start with a simple questionnaire to measurements, physical measurements like your body mass index, your waist, blood pressure, heart rate. But over the last 10-15 years with the development of technology, so we start to look into genetic, proteomics, metabolomics. So this is a really exciting development. So with the technology development, we're able to do so much more. And not only very broad, but also very, very deep. So it's a unique combination of breadth and depth as well. I think genetic is a foundation for all the medical research. It's really important because for common complex disease, the key things is the nature, nurture. It's not just single things for most complex disease. So you need to really understand what's really on. You need to bring two together. You need to genotyping or sequence particular individuals. You also need to understand their living environment, lifestyle factors, and chronic infection, etc. Because they are going to interact with each other, determine particularly individuals' risk developing disease. So this is really important. But until recently, we're not able to do that, partly because the technology are not there, and partly because it's too expensive. For example, sequence. But now, it's really exciting. So it's a really beginning of a revolution, in my view, by applying genomic, other omic technology. We will really be able to understand the causes and of the disease, improve the risk prediction, identify new treatment for many different conditions. So it's going to be a paradigm shift and transformative as well. I think future research we're moving towards kind of a precision health. So it's going to be predictive, so able to predict before people develop disease very reliably. It's going to be preventive. Once you identify some high risk factors or high risk individuals, you're able to treat as well. It's going to more and more becoming personalized. And so you can, through some tests like genetic tests, some other tests, you're able to prescribe drug according to individuals' genetic characteristics, their lifestyle factors as well. So I think this is the really beginning of a new revolution, paradigm shift in terms of how we practice medicine, how to manage our health as well. So this is a really exciting era.